Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will cover Vizag Steel Junior Trainee 2017 paper already cancelled. Which crop is used both as food grain and as fodder? So its answer is A. pulses, B. wheat, C. maize, D. rice. Maize is the answer. Maize is also called as corn. Question is, who was the first Prime Minister from Andhra Pradesh before separation of Andhra Pradesh as Andhra Pradesh and Telangana? A. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, B. P.V. Narasimha Rao, C. G.M.C. Baljogi, D. V.V. Giri. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy President, P.V. Narasimha Rao is the answer. G.M.C. Baljogi Speaker, Lok Sabha Speaker, V.V. Giri President. Answer is B. P.V. Narasimha Rao. The headquarters of UNESCO is at, these are very important, UNESCO, UNICEF, UN, WHO, IMF, these headquarters are very important. For UNESCO, headquarters is Paris. Other important things are, for United Nations, New York is the headquarters, UNICEF, New York, WHO, World Health Organization, Geneva, and for International Labour Organization, it's Geneva. IMF, this was also asked. This year, I think, MT examination they asked this question. Last previous MT examination they asked IMF headquarters. WTO, World Trade Organization, Geneva. This is also very important. International Court of Justice, its headquarters is at Hague, Netherlands. International Atomic Energy Agency, it's at Vienna, and World Bank, it's at Washington. Which country hosting 2017 ICC Women's Cricket World Cup? Hosting country is England. Winner also England. Runners up is India. Runners up. Winner is England. Longest cell in human body may be A. nerve cell, B. leg muscle cell, C. bone cell, D. heart muscle cell. Longest is nerve cell. Which of the following languages were used in Ashoka's edicts? This is very important question. So many times asked in PSU examination. Answer is Pali, or sometimes it's called as Prakriti, Prakrit, or Pali. In which state the Nelong Valley is located? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Sikkim, C. Jammu and Kashmir, D. Uttarakhand. Answer is Uttarakhand. Nelong Valley, it falls under Gangotri National Park. Gangotri National Park. This is also important. Gangotri National Park in which state? Answer is Uttarakhand. The 16th SAARC summit was held in 2010. I already told SAARC is very important. So summits are also very important. The 16th SAARC summit was held in 2010. It's Silver Jubilee Summit. SAARC started in 1985 at Bangladesh. This is also important. 1985 starting year and at Bangladesh. In 2016 SAARC summit was held in Thimphu or Bhutan. Country is Bhutan, place is Thimphu. It was in 2010. Then next in 2011, 17th, it was at Maldives. Then next in 2014, 18th SAARC summit, it was at Nepal. This is also very important. Then next, scheduled 19th summit scheduled in 2016, that was postponed due to Uri attack. India and other countries boycott this summit, so the summit was postponed. So this is very important. Its place was Pakistan. Hosting country Pakistan. This is also very important question. So many times asked in other examination. Mainly in railway examination they are asking. Railway and telegraph systems were introduced in India by Lord Dalhousie. B is the answer. In question little bit blur is there. Who among the following was the chairman of 14th Finance Commission? 14th Finance Commission. 14th Finance Commission chairman is Y.V. Reddy. World Day for Water is observed on which of the following days? A 22nd March, 22nd April, C 22nd March. 22nd March is the answer. Which state has become the first Indian state to rectify the GST Constitution Amendment Bill? A Haryana, B Punjab, C Assam, D Gujarat. C is the answer, Assam. The book Losing My Religion has been authored by whom? Book and author also very important. Also ancient books, these are also important. A Sakshinanda, B Vishwas Mudgal, B is the answer, Vishwas Mudgal. Sangai festival is celebrated in which state of India? A Assam, B Manipur, C Bihar, D Karnataka. B is the answer, Manipur. Which of the following states has attained 100% Aadhaar saturation in India? A Himachal Pradesh, B Uttar Pradesh, C Kerala, D Tamil Nadu. Answer is A Himachal Pradesh. Along with Himachal Pradesh, other states are states and union territories, Delhi, then Telangana. Himachal Pradesh was 6th. First Delhi, Telangana, then Haryana, then Punjab and Chandigarh. These are also important. Delhi, Telangana, Haryana, Punjab and Chandigarh. Then Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh was 6th. GK total 15 questions they asked. Within 5 to 6 minutes you can solve these questions. So thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.